Oh, meaning, you're simple. If you say, if you say the judgment, if you court case in city coroner, if you're into me, you're hanging, I'm from the crossing and edgeman. And if you case your career, will be at you, say, Chamaun to me, when you're going to say, court no end to me, and Chamaun to me, going to say, oh, can be asked. The court mechanics as I said, the man or the Maobi. Now, the Maobi, now, because Jimmy see approve by intent, you won't 20 years. Now, I will know and run at down in a chassis. If section 4 of Act 703, I am no and a chair, say, to me, fast as Simobia, minister, I approve here. At best, the woman says, okay, that transfer will be declared void or invalid. Now, it doesn't criminalize the transfer without ministry approval. We just make us say, well, violating section 14, and we'll cover section 99 of Act 995. Act 995, you know, and no, the amendment to the Act 703 and no punishment required ever. Act 995, you know, if you look at section 3, amended section 81 of Act 703 now, but section 99, I need the basis for a sentence, no. Or this section 99, it applies to only small scale mining, illegal mining. As I say, to apply section 99 to based on the section 99 to a sentence to 20 years. But section 99 no, is only for illegal mining activities. And I said those who engage in small scale illegal mining. Now, to tell me, say, what conviction of 20 years based on this session, if you tell me, say, a mere transfer of the land or the mere transfer of the interest to somebody amounts to illegal mining activity. But that cannot be the case. If he said that they were just in a hurry to hang him, to convict him, but if we were to really apply the law, section 14 of Act 703, it talks about transfer without ministry approval. It doesn't criminalize it. It doesn't say it will amount to illegal mining. Now, when we say, okay, why transfer without ministry approval? Now, Korea, section 99 of Act 995, no, I know they say it applies only to illegal mining activity.
Okay.
It applies to illegal mining activity. Based on that, no, was what 20 years. It doesn't work like that. What it means is that any violation of Act 703 to attract the punishment for illegal mining activity, but that's not what it is. Illegal mining activity is specific under section 81 to 98 of Act 703. The violation was section 14 of Act 703. And he said, you cannot, in all fairness, he says, Wontumi should go to jail for 20 years.
Okay, lawyer, thank you very much for ensuring I would amaye no na nti enra per explanations here would amaye no na say an more resolve say mo beko akwa appeal for this judgment and now say what is your stand currently? I mean
the lawyers of Wontumi we understand are appealing the judgment, and likely so if you say a judgment you can say and to new appeal, and hopefully in the court, you know, na more about the judgment and the sentence in the
Oh, okay. Now, me patrol the accused persons, no, so my young child, I didn't know Nipana on what site on no mining or no momono, and yet the phase of this issue now, a chama to me, mum, I did this punishment, and I said this judgment and the man. Me patrol better my education on that.
Well, I mean, the Attorney General's decision to select who he will use as prosecution witness. Almost as we just said, woman in Yara no, and one also the big dance here, chamber, which is a man to me. The jury said, no, could you say a bassa, but decided to say, obey the prosecution witness. It's allowed under the law, say that the prosecutor will choose a significant Bonia. Or person or convicted back into after back we say women the same they could into no the come in the mammy. So I know But we believe even that greatness no crown. When you be a to me a can't seem be the community Chamaun to me. All he said, Mr. Chamaun to me, now in who be no course. So Chamaun to me is not engaging in illegal mining activity. Or no, the answer yes, or the assassin amount, or the mouse reclamation. Now engaging in illegal mining activity. How does that amount to engaging in illegal mining in the case of Chamaun to me, now conviction?
No, okay, Bibisa no be can say I dream pop bi and as a trim pop bi and a debut at Tight na ma omono share that select Chamaun to me instead of Abia.
I get a teach and say you're hanging to me here. One macamini now to be clear, we are media dancing here to me. They're hanging on. That can be the only and only reason why they did that. That can be the only reason. Say to me the anywhere payment to more macamini now. Maybe the big Yama Mako. Because I didn't think any no giving guarantee and I carry a major. That was to me, I'm not in the baby. The bonnet, same way, a bonnet, and the bonnet, and I said, or the assassin will be. So, Uncle could be could be also. And only a bonnet. Only a bonnet.
Until lawyer, fact, my own busy schedule, so one yard, Jenny and air to community, shed and say, O'Brien be brinting here. Maybe so for this time, and say, after appeal, no, we are sure. Me patrol can. Hello, me patrol can lawyer.
But you're saying,
yeah, me person me share say, after when I ram we no more appeal no. Na say still na bibia ntimi amfimu amma na say nsachere bia ntimi amma we am ranimu ni there are legal actions binu ma na say nema binu mo ha mo betumi asen take care making sure say Chamaun to betumi a free person na.
Oh, yeah, law abiding citizens. No clue when they say an MPP as a person, you couldn't accountability. You are not against accountability. And I young castle be answer and could true a good year and say a cool. If he say illegal mine and the part, if he say be answer, who bring of crimes or some money, or so some money, but never young castle MPP means may and trust. In your Ghana for a seminar, you want everybody to be accountable. If you say, I would say, we're no council. And if you say, your co-court are also so we only just have to wait. We need to family and the BDI man. You abide by the judgment of the court and then wait until say the 7 the time. Yes.